get you through that thing. I got a testimony, I wish I had time, but God is real, and y'all don't give up. One nation, one country, let's stick together, y'all. We love you, Houston. God bless you, good night.
That's right. If you took pictures, make sure you share them with us. Hashtag Salt and Pepper. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Periscope, Snapchat, all that. Look us up at the Salt and Pepper and at DJ Spinderella.
Saltpepper.com for everything.
You know what? Before I get off this stage, I gotta say it one more time. Salt and Pepper, Spinderella, want to thank y'all from the bottom of our hearts for keeping us so alive and so relevant for 30 years. Thank you, Houston.